ṣé pé èyí nǹkan tó wà ní. Hey guys, today is the 6th of January. Today is Friday and it is officially like 2 days to flight day. Ethiopian Airlines moved my time from 1:40 to 1:20. Not much difference. That was today. And I sent my cargo stuff today. It weighed 34.8 kg, guys. Then I had extra 2 kg for the pallet and the what is it called, the carton and all. Anyways, cargo has been sent, hair has been made. Guys, I love this color on a lot of people that I've seen, but I'm not loving it on me at all. And where I went to do this haircut, they were so mean. I'm in pain. I had to use drugs yesterday and I'm pretty sure I'm still going to use this morning. In pain, like in pain. Would not recommend that particular lady. I don't know about the others, but that particular lady would not recommend, and I would not recommend any person with natural hair to go to that salon. So I'm not even going to be mentioning their names in my videos. I'm not, because man, it was torture. Like I just couldn't wait to finish. Also, I've never made braids this tiny. Anyways, the era of my silk press is over. I did not have any idea what to do with that silk press. Anyways, it's over. And yeah, I'm going to collect my PTA this morning. It's ready. I got a mail from the bank that it's ready and I can go to my chosen Access Bank branch to get it. So I'm waiting for my mom now. She's also going to Access Bank to collect her ATM card. So I'm going to do. I'm so happy that PTA worked, guys. So happy. So I'm getting $4,000, and it was at 462, so like 1.8, 1.9 thereabout. So that's it. Form A is still processing. It has moved to the ADB disbursement reviewer stage. So I'm hoping. I'm really hopeful that it comes through. Yeah guys, yeah, 2 days to go. I can't remember all the problems I was telling you people about, but everything is working out. I'm also going to do my MDCN registration. Well, I've done the registration online, so I'm going to send it to Abuja today. I want to try and finish that up today, and I want to send the fan to Namo's mom today too. So I guess we'll just see how it all turns out. Everything is falling into place. So fingers crossed. Hey guys, it's officially 1 day to departure. When I saw 7th January on my phone, my heart went big. It's officially Saturday. It's midnight, 12:30. And see my biggest box. I'm not carrying it because the box itself is 3 kg and I need that 3 kg. But yeah, that kit is my handbag that I'm going to be carrying. These are my travel clothes, and this is my puffer jacket. Getting ready to leave. I have mixed feelings, honestly. People don't talk about this part of living. Like, I'm scared going to a new country, starting my life all over basically, and then I have to resume classes almost immediately. I'm not a little scared. I'm legit scared. But I have God. I should mention that I and my mother were doing a 3 days fasting and prayer thing, and we finished like 12 a.m. every day. Like, we do prayers from like 11 to 12 midnight every day. Today's day 2. We finished just like 30 minutes ago. Tomorrow is the last day. My dad is going to be joining us hopefully for the last day. Two days to go, and I'm still sorting out cargo. Tired. I want to do my nails today and get stuff for my sister. And my dad is coming in today with my brother. Basically it. Last night and last night. Hey guys, officially my last night in Nigeria, last sleep in Nigeria. You know that we have a few hours to go. Few. Less than 24 hours to departure. And we here, we have chair. It's time for prayer, guys. Oh God. The 3 days fasting and prayer is coming to an end today. Also, I made my nails today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or maybe in another vlog. Tomorrow should be a whole new vlog on its own. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next vlog, or probably that vlog is going to come first before this whole series. So I guess I'll just see you in the next video, because this is the end of the journey so far. Yeah. Well, the only difference is that I cargoed another 32 kg today, and then I'm hoping that when I get to the airport I can upgrade my luggage from 23 kg to 32 kg, because one of my boxes is 32 kg and I can't seem to be able to reduce it. So that's it. That's the update. Bye guys, see you tomorrow. If you haven't watched it tomorrow, you should definitely go and watch my what's it called? It should be called the relocation vlog. That's what it should be called. Bye.
Ibi a sì máa pa wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí ń wo olúwa yóò ṣàlàyé tó dára nípa ojú tó dára fún wa wọ́n rántí ọmọ rẹ ó ṣe ìyára fún olúwa ìgbọ̀gbọ̀ wa olúwa ìgbàlẹ̀ ní orúkọ Jésù kò sí olúwa wa.
Japa 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 lọ London japa japa jáwọ́ Canada japa japa jáwọ́ Chicago japa japa já lọ Africa.
Gina Hona